Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. First, confirm a full backup to an external drive or cloud and verify you can open a few files. Once done, make sure the laptop is on AC power or has at least 50% battery, and note any account credentials or product keys. If the recovery partition is missing, prepare a bootable USB with factory image from your manufacturer on another machine. Next, restart and press the required key to enter recovery or BIOS. Do it immediately before the OS loads. You'll now perform the actual factory reset. In recovery, choose the vendor restore or Windows reset and select the full wipe or reinstall option rather than just removing apps. Once you choose a full wipe, opt for drive cleaning if you need security or are transferring ownership. This takes longer but prevents data recovery. Follow each on-screen prompt carefully, confirm choices, and let the laptop restart as many times as necessary. Don't interrupt power or remove the boot media until the process reports completion. You're finishing up. After the reset completes, either proceed through the out-of-box setup to verify the OS boots cleanly, or shut down if you're handing the laptop to someone else. Once booted, install critical drivers and OS updates, then restore files from your verified backup and reconfigure accounts and security options. If the reset fails or the system won't boot, recreate the recovery USB and retry, update BIOS firmware if available, and contact the vendor support line with error codes if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.